So things are changing. Let's dive in.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
So for those that don't know, a little bit about my backstory. So I first started in video editing back around 10 years ago or so. I graduated high school. I started interning at this place called Rock the House. They do a lot of different live event production and entertainment, from weddings, bar bat mitzvahs, corporate events. I really started in editing their videos and doing graphic design work, motion graphics as well, and I've been there for 9 years now. And the big change and the thing that's changing is I'm actually gonna start transitioning from being a full-time employee working for them to starting as a freelancer and starting my own business. So that's the big update. I'm transitioning from a full-time employee to a freelancer, and with that, I know comes a lot of changes with my content, my channel, and kind of like my business structure, so I wanted to cover that in this video. So what can you expect from the channel? I think going forward, being a freelancer, I'm gonna have more time to dedicate to my YouTube channel, probably a little bit more time in the tutorials I make as well. And from a content side of things, probably more freelance related topics. In addition to the software tutorials like Premiere Pro and After Effects, I'll probably start making freelancer tips and those type of things as I'm gonna start gaining more experience in that area as well. With that being said, being a full-time employee for the longest time, I didn't really have the time or energy to take on other projects. So if you've been watching the channel for some time and if you are in need of a video editor, or maybe there's a cool project that you want to collaborate on, I'm more than happy to take inquiries. I will leave a contact link down in the video description. Feel free to contact me and reach out, as well as other things I did want to mention in this video that I'm going to expand on. So one other thing that I've noticed within the last year or so on my channel has been asks about how to do something in a specific software. And I know my tutorials can be lengthy, and it might not cover everything. Like you might have a certain situation where you're trying to do something in Premiere Pro or After Effects and you just can't get it down right, or you might have additional questions that I can't answer in a tutorial. So one service I was gonna provide is book me for an hour and you can ask any type of question, whether it's software related in Premiere Pro, After Effects. So I'll also leave that down in the link below. If you do wanna book some time with me, I'll offer one-on-one coaching and tutoring as well in my business. The other big thing I'm gonna work on over probably the next year or so is probably develop an online video editing course that you guys can purchase. So if you want to provide input on that, if there's certain areas of video editing that you want to see me expand on, I'm open to suggestions, so you can contact me in the link below, once again through the contact form. But that will probably be something I'll start to work on and also reach out to you guys later through my email blasts and newsletters to get kind of some input on that type of course as well. But that's one big thing that I'm gonna probably work on this year going into next year, and hopefully within the next year or so I'll put together a nice course. If you wanna learn Premiere Pro from start to finish, that type of course, that's what one of my projects I was gonna work on as well. But that's the big news. I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to make this video to just give you guys some updates, but I'm sure there will be more information to come as I transition and fully transition from that full-time to freelancer shift. But if you have any questions or want to reach out, like I said, feel free to drop comments down below or contact me in the form in the video description below. But that's the big update, that's the big change. And I hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.